Hi, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am showing you a strength test comparison between cotton and baking soda. When mixed with super glue, both substances becomes a strong bond that can be used for repairing or joining items. First of all, I will use a screw and applying baking soda over it. Cover it from all sides. Now add few drops of super glue on baking soda. It becomes a strong and hard substance. Second screw is here for cotton. Apply cotton on bottom of screw and add few drops of super glue on cotton. Use mask and cover eyes while doing this experiment. It releases smoke, and try to do this experiment in open air. You can see both screws are firmly fixed, and later we will check their strengths. Just wait until the next performance. You will be shocked to see how baking soda and cotton can join the broken items. But you have to decide which one is more hard and successful. Initially join two pieces with glue, later apply baking soda on the sticks. Cover all sides with glue and baking soda. Now use cotton and super glue on second stick. The final results are closer. Just last step is with plastic bottle caps. This is third test with baking soda and cotton. Initially join two caps with baking soda and the second with cotton. Fill all the sides of caps so that all sides are fully covered. Here are all the 3 tests, and now it's the time to perform practical to check their strengths. First of all, I will check strength of screws. And here it's a cotton test. I am trying to break screw by external force. It broke after 4 shots. Next is baking soda. It broke in just 2 shots. And first experiment winner is cotton. Now second experiment is with wooden sticks. Initially trying to break stick fixed with cotton. It is so strong and does not break from cotton side. The second stick with baking soda. It was easy to break and does not last longer. So in second test, the winner is cotton. The last experiment is here, initially trying to break caps with cotton. It's strong and hard as we can see clearly. The second test with baking soda cap. It is easy to break as compared to cotton. So, in all the 3 tests, cotton is a winner. What are your recommendations about this test? Please tell me in comments. Thanks for watching.